Hello, everyone, and welcome to this guide on how to share Google Drive files with non-Gmail accounts. This is an important skill for collaboration, especially when you need to share documents with colleagues, clients, or friends who don't use Gmail. To get started, open a web browser and go to drive.google.com. Log into your account and locate the file you want to share. Once you've found the file, click the Share button. It looks like the icon of a person with a plus sign. This will open up the sharing options. By default, Google Drive sets your file to restricted, which means only specific people you invite can view it. To allow access for non-Gmail users, change this setting to anyone with the link. Next, copy the generated link to your clipboard. You can now share this link through email, chat, or any communication platform, and the recipient will be able to access the file, regardless of their email provider. Before finishing, remember to consider privacy. Only share files in this way when you're comfortable with anyone who has the link being able to view them. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily share Google Drive files with non-Gmail accounts. This method ensures smooth collaboration with all your contacts, no matter what email service they use.